right, guys, so we'll be looking at first the ads. All right, I've told you that the ads contain the pre-sale. Let me show you what a pre-sale is. All right, okay, before that, I don't want to show you this one first. All right, but if I need to spy on, this is how to spy on people. I'm not telling you to go up be spying and be copying or share. Yeah, so what we just do here to, excuse me, is to look for some ads that are doing well and we model it. You don't copy, you model. All right, so but before that, I will show you my own formula of writing my ads. Okay, all right, so ads library, Facebook ads library. All right, don't forget ads library. Okay, Facebook ads library. You can go to Facebook ads library.com straight up. All right, so when you get here, when you get to Facebook ads library, look at this category now. We put it on ads. All right, put it on ads. All right, so if it is Amazon KDP, I might type Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP. All right, click on search. All right, so you see different adverts about Amazon KDP that people are running. You get it? You see a lot of them, all right, that people are running, a lot of adverts that you can pick and model. You understand that? So you can also filter it. All right, if you click on this filter, you can check, you can put it on the active ones. All right, the active ones, and maybe the one that have been running for the last maybe 2020, maybe for the past 3 or 5 months, 2022. All right, so if you want to check an advert that have been performing, all right, so the advert must have been running for like 3 months, so that shows that okay, that advert is really making money. That advert is making money. All right, so look at this one now. This one said, by my name Alim, popularly known as this thing, I'm a 7-figure expert on Amazon whatever. All right, so this is a pre-sale. This is what I just want to show you. This is a pre-sale. All right, this, let me look for one. Let me look for one ad. If you look at this ad now, you see that okay, this one has been running maybe 22nd of February. If you look for the ads that have been running for like that is if you want to check the ads that have been running for like 2-3 months. So that means all right. So look at this now. All right, look at this. Let me click on this. This is a pre-sale. Okay, this is a pre-sale. All right, I just want to show you. All right, this is the guy's landing page. I don't want the landing page here. I don't want the landing page. So this is a pre-sale. This write-up, right, is a pre-sale. This write-up now, this write-up is a pre-sale. All right, look at what this guy did. Do you know that there is a new railroad system that allows you to make up to 300k monthly on Amazon publishing your books? You know, so this is a pre-sale. All right, while this is a creative. All right, it might be a video like this now, like this one use a video. All right, this one use a what's it called, a flyer. So that's a creative. So I just want to show you. You can see this is the same guy. So you can see this is the same guy This is the same person, but he's testing. He has a video, and he also uses a flyer. All right, he also uses a flyer. Okay, so that is just testing both to see which one works better. So when we get to the aspect of running Facebook ads, we would talk about that. So that's a pre-sale, and that's what I mean by a creative. All right, so let me show you my formula for writing my ads. All right, so basically this is my formula for writing my ads. All right, headline, my headline, all right, my headline is basically we use AIDA formula, which stands for attention. It stands for attention, the interest, attention, interest, desire, action. Okay, all right, so this is just the major formula. All right, so if you look at some of these guys, do you know that this like attention, then I've thought over, so you're trying to arouse their interest. All right, trying to arouse their interest. All right, so interest, desire, then call to action. If you're interested, simply click on this. All right, so let me show you one. Is it my Google? Some of the ads I've wrote, some of the pre-sale. All right, so for your what's it called, for your creative, all right, so you can just get a graphic designer to make something like this, just simple steps. All right, so I would so just get a graphic designer to help you with some creative, so you can also make a video about it. All right, so your creative just contain the concept of your product, what you're trying to sell. All right, so look at this one. It's saying daily income, something generate, whatever, things like that. All right, so I don't know if I have some flyer in mind. All right, so basically you design your flyer. All right, so if you are like this Japa thing now, maybe how to relocate to Canada, your creative might be around how to relocate. It's just to arouse people interest. All right, how to relocate to Canada without what's it called, without IELTS, or without what's it called, without agents. Yeah, so if you make your research enough and understand the product, so you will come up with it will help you in coming up with your creative, how your creative will look like. All right, so someone like me, let me see if I've done some, sales content report. Okay, let me check this. Okay, I think this is one of the ads I wrote for my Amazon KDP. You can see you can earn between $500 to $1,000 monthly by publishing short 15-page book on Amazon without writing or paying a ghostwriter. That's like trying to grab someone's attention. All right, so with the current situation of the country right now, you can, anyone should be thinking of how to make. So this is like the, what's it called, this is like trying to get them interested, trying to tell them that, okay, you don't need to do any form of marketing, you don't need to. All right, so I think I'll share some of this content, some of these ads, so you study them. All right, study them and look at the pattern. All right, so copywriting, it's a different game entirely. All right, it's a different skill entirely. But if you're still coming up, you can model. All right, it's advisable to model. Even big copywriters, even me, I still try to model, ads creative that works. All right, so it's that you start with a story, or you come up with this idea. All right, a story might be, let me see if I can see, let me see if I can see another ad where I wrote something like story. I think this ad swipe I will need to share with you guys so you understand some of these things. Alright, so you understand some of these things. So as one, so these are some ad swipes, so you understand some patterns. Alright, so like secondly, I will encourage you to read so you start with a story. Like, look at this one. I first talked, like when you are running an ad, you can tell your story. If you don't want to go that route, tell your story. Okay, when I was a bedroom teacher or whatever. All right, so just a lot of different angles you can come up with. All right, so I don't really know how best to teach copywriting. Honestly, I must be sincere with you. I don't know how best to teach copywriting. All right, I don't know how best to teach copywriting. All right, so but okay, look at this. He said you don't need to do affiliate marketing, KDP, or any of this stuff to chase supply away. Struggling to get and actually strive with your own online business. This is a very good. I know this guy. I know that guy that is running that art. All right. So that is just that component. All right. So I don't know. I want you guys to watch this thing. I don't know if you guys really understand, because I don't know how to teach copywriting, because the best way to do this or to go about this is actually by practicing. I won't lie to you. By the idea of practicing. All right. So I'll just share this video with you guys. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know area where you guys can actually or where I need to touch. All right.